Hello, my soul family. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, and safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I am very glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is multi-dimensional anatomy part number 8, in which we are learning different types of matter. And for those who have not watched from part number 1 to part number 7, I'm going to add a link in the description box so you can check it out. So in this video, we are going to talk about what are the different types of DNA template configurations we are having in our 15-dimensional time matrix. So let's start today's video. So the first one is Diamond Sun DNA matrix, which is 12-strand DNA template, original angelic human race design. The second one is Double Diamond Sun DNA matrix, which is 24-strand DNA template. The third one is Golden Sun DNA matrix, which is 24 to 30-strand DNA template. The fourth one is Emerald Sun DNA matrix, which is 48-strand DNA template. For those who are having 12-strand DNA template, this is called as Diamond Sun DNA template, and they are incarnating from the dimension 10, 11, 12, that are the avatar. Next is 24-strand DNA template, which is called as Double Diamond Sun DNA, which are also called as Rishi identity of self, Rishi identity of consciousness, coming from dimension 13, 14, and 15. Next is 24 to 30 strand DNA template, and this is called as Gold Sun DNA template, which are coming from Seraphi Seraphim race lines. Next is 48 strand DNA template, which is the Emerald Sun DNA, and they are coming from the Ascended Master level, that is the Ekatic level, Polaric level, and Triadic level. Now let's know more different types of DNA template configurations we are having in our 15-dimensional time matrix. So the first one is Axios Sun DNA matrix, which is 9-strand reverse DNA template. The second one is Bellel Sun DNA matrix, which is 10 strands part reverse DNA template. The third one is Black Sun DNA matrix, which is 10 strands reverse DNA template. And the fourth one is the Templar Sun DNA matrix, which is the 11-strand reverse DNA template. So the first one is Axios Sun DNA matrix, which is 9-strand reverse DNA template, and they are called as Nibiruan, Palladian, Nephilim, Draculan, Anunnaki races, and they are incarnating from the 9th dimension. So the second one is Bellel Sun DNA matrix, which is 10 strands part reverse DNA template, and they are incarnating from dimension 10, and they are actually called as part Diamond Sun Turanism, part Black Sun Dracolian Anunnaki races, calling the Bellel Sun DNA matrix incarnating from dimension 10. So the third one is Black Sun DNA matrix, and they are having 10 strands reverse DNA template, and they are Seraphim, Dracon, Orion, Dracolian, Anunnaki, Nephidim, Nephite, Dracon, Dracos, Dracons, human hybrids, okay, incarnating from dimension 10. So basically these are actually called as Dracolian race lines incarnating from dimension 10. So the fourth one is the Templar Sun DNA matrix, having 11 strands reverse DNA template, and they are Nephilim, Earth, Human, Anunnaki hybrids, and actually these are the Anunnaki race lines which are incarnating from dimension 11. So I hope you understand the different types of consciousness we all are having and incarnating on planet Earth, and also having in our 15-dimensional time matrix. So sending you lots of love, healing, and happy energies to all my soul family who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, and I will see you all soon.